Hello, good morning. Today I will discuss about network filter and transmission line. Okay, and in this subject we will discuss about how to build a network and its applications in the transmission line. Okay, so that is very important to study because nowadays wherever you go, application of network and its transmission line is very important. Okay, so that is very important. And at the same time, in case of this network design, we have so many things to study, and after that, one by one, the importance is very important. Okay, and in this network filter and transmission line, first of all, we will discuss network, then network configuration, then attenuators, attenuation, classification of attenuators, filters, use of filter, transmission line. Now, first of all, we will discuss what network is. Network is a combination of various electronic elements, resistor, inductor, voltage, that is called as network. Okay. So, in case of network, what the network is? Network means it is a combination of resistors, inductors, capacitors, and by combining all these elements, we will find a network. Okay, so by combining all these elements, we will easily form a network. Now you understand what network is? Now we will discuss about various, uh, you can say that network configurations. First one is symmetric network, then we have asymmetric network, L network, recurrent, ladder network, T network, pi network. Port of a network. An access to network consists of two terminals, that is called as linear. Two-port network means input and output. One pair of terminals, current entering the input, only one port and a two-port network. So in this, you can say that single port network, in case of single port network, we have single inputs. Okay. And in case of two port network, we have two inputs and we will get output at the output terminal. So that is called as network. Network means we have more than different kinds of components. We have inductor, we have capacitor, we have insulator. We have to join all these components to form a network. Okay, and after that we have a single port network, we have a two port network. In case of single port network, we have a single input, and in case of two port network, we have two inputs. And this is very important to study all these elements. Okay, and T section. In case of T section, we have symmetrical T network, asymmetrical network, then pi section. In case of symmetrical T networks, we have impedance Z1, Z2 at the output side, and in case of asymmetric, we have Z1, Z3, Z2 at the output side. Okay, now we will have attenuators. Attenuator is a two-port network which gives the signal level by the desired amount inserted between source and load. Attenuators are exactly opposite of amplifier. Amplifier used to increase the signal level, where attenuator decrease the signal level. So, what do you mean by attenuators? Attenuators is the reciprocal or output of amplifiers. In case of attenuators, the level of the signal, attenuator means increasing the level of the signal. Okay, so whenever the level of the signal is increased, then it is called as attenuation. Okay, one signal at the input side and one signal at the output side. If both the signals from one side to output side is defined, then it is called as attenuators. So attenuators are very important to study. So one by one, when you study the attenuators, you will get to know the difference of various important things. Okay. So all these things are very important and mandatory to study, because one by one, we will have to understand the ejection. Okay. So network attenuators are very important to study. So you also see it is very important, and various kind of networks and various kinds of advantages of the system. So after that, we will come to know about the attenuation. Attenuation is the loss, that is, you can say that power loss is equal to input power divided by output power. Loss in network. Attenuation is the loss in network. The formula of attenuation is equal to Pi divided by Po. T is the power, P represents power, I represents input, and O represents output. Means when there is a difference between the input power and the output power, that is called as attenuation. So in case of attenuation, the loss of the power is measured. When you will measure the loss of the power, then it is called as attenuation. Okay. So today we will discuss about network. Network means combination of various components: insulator, capacitor, inductor, resistors. All these components, when combined, it will become a network. So we have single port network, we have two port network. In case of single port network, we have single inputs, okay, and single outputs, okay. And in case of two port network, we have two inputs and only one output, that is called as two port network. Then afterwards, we study about the attenuation. Attenuation is the loss of signal. When there is a loss of the signal, and that loss is measured by loss of power in the input divided by loss of power received at the output. If you understand the loss of power between the two, then it means you can study the attenuation loss. Okay, so it is very important and very much important to study about the attenuation. So this is, you can say that attenuation loss, and during that operation, when you study little bit about attenuation, then at the same time you will come to know about the attenuation loss and a few parameters about the system. Okay, so